So we just finished the round of the first twist where we were taking the yarns counterclockwise around each other before we did the purl stitch. And you'll see as I've done that, it builds up this twist in my work, but you don't need to untwist that because this third round of the braid will untwist those yarns. So the third round, we're going to do the same purl. So we're going to go into the stitch, the first stitch, and this time we're going to take the yarns clockwise. So I kind of have to orient my yarns so I can see where they are, and it's going to go clockwise. And so I think of this as on top or over. To me, this is over, because I'm taking this yarn clockwise around in front of. It's sort of whatever works in your mind. But the yarn is in fact wrapping and twisting in a clockwise fashion. And I usually try to just pull it out of the way and do the stitch. Now, if we stop and look, you can see the braid, how it creates these little arrows. Now, if I'd done the twist the other way, if I'd started the first round and I wrapped the yarns, I twisted the yarns clockwise, and then the second round I twisted them counterclockwise, the arrows would point the other direction. But you want to be consistent. So I'll finish the round and then you're ready to proceed with your pattern. The braid also serves as another way to kind of secure and hold down the base of our work. And now you can also take the hanging stitch marker and move it up so it's right around the first stitch or so of that needle.